Welcome to the Elite Kitchen Supply, and I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand, the single door refrigerators. Let me take the overall sizes first. For the units, about like a 25 inches wide, and include the handlebars. They are about like a 24.5 inches deep. Overall height of the unit is about like a 68 inches. Now we can see the front. It comes with a double layer glass and also have LED banners on top of it. And when we're looking down the units, we can see they do have controllers. They have a small digit displays to show you the temperatures and adjust the function manual buttons on the side. And when we look in the back of the units, we'll find the compressor mount right here and coming with a 110 standard plugs and also have a diagram about the units. And for the door, on the left side, they're having the lockers here and handles here. And when we open it, it's a swing doors. We can look inside, they have a full adjustable shelvings and also coming with the bottle holders from the manufacturers. And let me give the measurements. The shelving depth is about like 18 inches. Clearance of this edges about like a 43 inches. And the length of the shelving is about like a 21 inches. So when we're looking inside, we can see they have a ETL sanitation stickers, and there is a circling fan on top of it, and also the banner switchers right here. And they do having LED light strips on side of the units. And this one is a removable. When you need it, you can just put in. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.